Prakash Javadekar has attacked Arvind Kejriwal. He has said, and I quote, "This is your hypocrisy. You promised amendment to APMC Act in Punjab Assembly elections. You notified one farm law in Delhi in November 2020 and you are on fast today. Nothing but hypocrisy," unquote. That's the latest coming in right there. He's saying that Kejriwal was one who notified one farm law in Delhi in November 2020 and he's on a fast today. And you've got Javadekar accusing Kejriwal of hypocrisy. Remember, Kejriwal is sitting on a fast today in solidarity with the farmers, on a 9-hour fast for farmers. He has slammed the farm bills as well. Anisha joins us with the very latest. Anisha, we do know that there is a lot of political bickering, political back and forth that is going over these farmers' protests, the agitation as well. And now it is the centre versus the Delhi state government.
Well, yes, Shruti, there has been a lot of political war of words over these farmer protests, not just today, but also for the last several days. With the Aam Aadmi Party jumping into come and support the farmer protests, the centre has been hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party. Today, again, we saw this tweet that has come in from Prakash Javadekar accusing the Delhi government of hypocrisy, saying that why is it that you notified the farm law and now you're sitting on a dharna? Because Arvind Kejriwal has announced that he and several Aam Aadmi Party volunteers are going to be joining this symbolic dharna, symbolic hunger strike in solidarity with the farmers. Even last week we saw Aam Aadmi Party as well as Congress volunteers come out on the streets of Delhi to show their support to the Bharat Bandh call that was made by the farmer leaders. We've seen a lot of statements going back and forth between the Delhi government and the Punjab government as well, with Captain Amrinder Singh also accusing the Aam Aadmi Party of using the farmer protest for electoral gains. So a lot of things are being said in the political sphere as political parties point fingers at each other regarding their support or their opposition to this particular farmer protest. But here at the Singhu border and at other areas of Delhi and the country, farmers
All right, Anisha, leave it at that. Thanks so much for bringing our viewers up to speed with the latest when it comes to the farm law politics and the controversy and the politicking that is breaking out on the back of this. Let's now.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.